there are three important issues you must focus on. One, what is the order in which you can write in the exam? Like you have been given the question paper, right, where 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 2A, 2B, 2C, 3A, 3B, 3C. Like this, you will be having multiple questions, and in each question, some subparts will be there. Now, one common query which every student is having is, should I write all the subparts of a question continuously, like without a break, like in it, which means, can I write, this is exactly the question put by the students, can I write first 1B, then 2D, then 5C, then again coming back to 1A, then again going back to 3D, can I come back again to 4C, can I attempt questions in this order? Absolutely yes. Like many are misinterpreting this point. If you see the instructions in the answer sheet, no, they mention this point, write all parts of the question at same place, like attempt all parts of the question at same place. All parts of the question means what? It's not within question number 1 A, B, C, D, not that. 1A is there, right? That answer, 1A related answer, attempt it in the one place. That's what they're saying. Suppose, no, like some students, what they did once upon a time, they wrote one question. The answer is over. Immediately on the next page, they started another question and they forgot to put working note. So what they did is, in some other page, continuation to question number 1A, working note. They wrote like that. That is not permitted. All the parts of a particular question should be at one place. Means particular question means what? 1A is a different question, 1B is a different question. Here question means it's not about question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, not that. 1A is a question, 1B is a different question, 1C is a different question, 1D is a different question. 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D. These are all different questions. See, that is why in the answer sheet in the front page, they are asking you to tick which questions you have attempted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what are all the questions you have attempted? They are asking you to tick. Why? Why they are asking you? Because without even looking into your entire answer sheet, examiner, the person who is valuing your paper, should understand how many questions you valued. And for every 1A, whatever question you have attempted, he has to put marks, So for him, when the moment he valued a particular question, 1A or 2B or 3C, whatever it is, that mark, he'll put it on the front page, the first sheet of your answer. And at the end of the evaluation of that paper, totaling and all he'll be doing based on that first box. Whatever in the first page, first box is there, right? Based on that. So don't get confused by this wordings. All parts of the question should be at one place. It means within a particular single question like 1A or 2A, within that, you should not present the answer at multiple places in the answer sheet. 2A means entire answer should come at one place consecutively, continuously. Then you start 3D. Then you again come back with 2C, whatever it is. No problem at all. Ideally, what I suggest, first 40 to 50 marks of the paper, whatever the first 40 marks that you're going to attempt. Suppose if I saw the question paper, FR or accounts, whatever the first question paper I saw. In that, let's look at a hypothetical situation like this. I'm very good at 1C, and I am very good at 2D, and I can superbly write 3A, 4B I can write well, 5C I can write well, and all these 5 questions put together occupy 45 marks weightage. First, I don't think about all this nonsense. First, I will write 1A, whatever the answer, 1C, then 2D, then 3B, then 4C, then I'll scribble. I will try my level best to give the perfect answers because I know them very well. Okay, 40 marks of the paper, I try my level best to give the perfect answer, and I'll try to finish within 1.5 hours. Within the first 1.5 hour time given, I'll try to finish that within 1.5 hours. This 40 marks perfectly. Like some students are especially losing confidence because they need to attempt all parts of a single question at one place. Means they're interpreting 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D at one place. No, that is not which they are asking. So I hope you understood. I'm not repeating once again. So this is one important point. You can happily write like this. First 40 marks of the question paper. In descriptive, at least 30 to 35 marks of the question paper in descriptive, because in descriptive portion you only have 70 marks. 30 marks are for MCQ, 70 marks descriptive. So at least 35 marks of the descriptive paper. Your answers must be super perfect. Remaining 35, you give average answers also, not a big deal. As a whole, you will be securing 55 to 60 plus for sure, as long as you are attempting for 70 to 80 marks of the total paper. It all depends upon perfection. So that's the first point I want to talk.